Milwaukee, Wisconsin, doing some deer hunting. As you can see here, we've got a white-tailed deer. Oh, look at him there. Just beautiful. Look at the stride on that. That's a young white-tailed doe. I can tell by the spot of it. Let's get it a little closer. Oh, there's another one. Oh, look at this. Just look at that. This is just amazing. Just a really wonderful thing. There they go. Look at them. Lost him. Came this close. God, well now.